The 12 volt Sirocco fans are a great addition to your motorhome. We chose the black version because it blended in better with the surrounds. They come with 3 speeds and a timer as well. Simple to operate, there's a locking mechanism to swivel, and then the fan head swivels as well. We powered ours through the wall and into the 12 volt power behind the top cupboard door. Shop around because various RV places and eBay also have them for sale. You can get them from as low as $195 if you shop around.